The city of Rio de Janeiro, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and charming destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its stunning scenery and rich cultural heritage, Rio de Janeiro offers a unique combination of natural beauty, historical attractions, and exciting entertainment. One of the best ways to appreciate the beauty of Rio de Janeiro is through drone photography. Viewing from an altitude adds another dimension to understanding and appreciating this wonderful place. Nestled between lush mountains and the Atlantic Ocean, Rio de Janeiro boasts breathtaking views that are sure to leave visitors in awe. Rio de Janeiro is also known for its vibrant tourist scene. From the world-famous Carnival to famous beaches such as Copacabana and Ipanema, there is no shortage of attractions to explore. Visitors can take part in water sports, sunbathe on the sand, or simply enjoy the lively atmosphere. Rio de Janeiro is a charming city that promises an unforgettable travel experience. Its stunning scenery, rich culture, and warm hospitality make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for an exciting Brazilian adventure.